Today we have this 1967 Smith Corona Super Sterling vintage portable typewriter. I'll show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. Color is seafoam green. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin. Hit this line space to get you back to the beginning and skips 1, 2, or 3 spaces. Right now we have it on 1. We're gonna put it on 2 and test it, that works. Put it on 3 and test it, that works for 3 spaces. We're gonna go back with a single space, and to set your margins, they're right behind the paper right here, and you just move them like that, push down and move them like that, and that's where you will end on each side of the carriage. And that's all the keys. They all type nice, no skipping, no sticking at all whatsoever. Very nice typing machine. I'll type a sentence on the next line. I missed a space in between 2 words, but that's okay. That's how it goes with the typewriter. This print, I really like this print. It's really solid and clean looking. And it's got Elite typeface, which prints 12 characters per inch. The Pica is a 10 character per inch. That's the other standard font. So this one's a little bit smaller than usual, which allows you to print more words on a page. To pull the paper out easy, you just flip that switch forward on the right side there. I don't know if you can see that switch right there. Just flip that forward. And unlock the rollers underneath the platen, allowing you to load thicker paper or pull the paper out easy. Make sure you flip that back before you load the next page. It's got a tab function here. No tabs are set, so we're going to set one with the set button right here. Push that down, and now it should stop at that spot where you set it, and it does work good. To clear it, you hit the CL button, and now you go all the way to the end with no tabs, and you can set as many as you want on this model. Let's set one in the middle just in case somebody hits the tab button. It'll stop at the middle instead of going all the way to the end, causing wear and tear to your machine. This is your backspace on the left side here. Works good. It's got a shift on each side and a shift lock on the left side. To clear that, you just hit the shift button again. This is your touch control low, medium, and high LMH, and that just loads a spring underneath the keys. So when you load that to H, there's more tension when you hit the keys. I like it on low, so I'm gonna keep it on low. Open the hood, got your spools, and this is your ribbon direction control switch. So it's forward, it's in the forward position. Since all our brand new ribbon is loaded on the left, when it's forward, it'll pull to the right. But if you want to switch that direction, you just push that back and it'll start pulling to the left. So we're gonna just push that forward again and keep that direction pulling to the right direction. If you are pulling in the wrong direction or get to the end of one of the spools, you might jam up your vibrator. This is your vibrator that goes up and down. If that jams up, it could cause your typewriter to malfunction. Not permanently, but you just got to make sure your ribbon is going in the right direction after that. It's got a carriage release lever on each side. Once you hold that, you can control the carriage freely. And on this side, that plastic lever is missing, but it still works. As you can see, you just have to lift it up from the bottom like that. And that is about it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.